Hello, and welcome to the channel. Today, we are going to talk about how to change the startup settings in Puffin Browser on your phone. This feature allows you to decide whether the browser opens with a new tab. First, open the Puffin Browser on your mobile phone. Next, look at the top right and tap on the three dots menu. Then, from the menu that appears, tap on Settings to open the browser configuration page. After that, find and click on Startup in the Settings menu. Now, you will see two options. You can choose Restore All Tabs if you want the browser to open all your previously opened tabs every time. Or you can select New Tab if you prefer starting with a fresh tab each time you open the browser. Finally, choose the option that best fits your browsing style. Once selected, the browser will remember your preference for future sessions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.